Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make unripe plantain fufu. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and to my subscribers who has been following me back to back, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to share, comment, and also like. In today's video, we are going to use 5 unripe plantain to make the fufu. So I'll begin by peeling it, but before that, you have to wash it and pat dry it, which I've done that behind the camera. So now ready to peel. After peeling it, you cut it and remove this part, but it's not compulsory. It's just a matter of choice. You may choose to leave it. There's nothing bad with that. This is the part I scrape off from the plantain, but you can leave it because most times I use it directly without scraping that part. Next thing is to cut it into smaller sizes to enable the blender to blend it smoothly. This depends on the type of food processor or the blender you are using. Now transfer it into a bowl. You continue same process in peeling and cutting the plantain into smaller sizes. Now I'm done peeling the remaining 4, and the next thing is to cut them into pieces. Finally, the plantain is ready. The next thing is to transfer it into our blender. Then add some water to enable it blend smooth. Just a little water, not much. I'm going to blend it and I'll be right back. Now our paste is ready. Plantain paste. Look at the consistency. Please don't add too much water to it. We're going to transfer it into an empty pot. We are going to prepare this on a medium heat, and you keep stirring it consistently. Don't leave it, if not it will form a lump or burn under the pot. You keep turning it. You see it's already forming. Continue turning it. At this point, you add little water, cover to steam for 2 minutes, and now it is ready. It's as simple as that. It came out so well. If you haven't tried this before, please give it a try. I know you will love it. You can take it with any soup of choice. It's very simple to make and wonderful. I decided to take mine with my ofo soup, and it goes well with it. You can take it with any soup of choice. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.